Seton Stingers. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I have a very special guest that's going to help me prepare something delicious. We are going to be preparing a seasonal dish for Passover. So today we have Farmer Caplan joining us to make this very special dish.
This is one of my favorite dishes. So tonight is the first night of Passover, and on Passover we have a meal that's called a Seder, and one of the dishes is called Haroset, and that's what we're going to be making today. Growing up, I learned how to make this from my parents, and I made it and they loved it. It's a very easy dish, and we're going to show you how to make some.
So what is our first step?
Well, we are in a kitchen, aren't we? So the first step is always
Washing your hands. So let's go over here and do that.
So the next step is finding all of your ingredients. Apples, walnuts, grape juice, sugar, cinnamon.
Farmer Caplan, I see that we have this tool over here. What is this called?
That's a food processor, and it helps chop down the apples and walnuts. So the first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to chop up the walnuts using the food processor.
I'm ready to chop this up, so I'm going to push the button on the handle. Now that our walnuts are chopped, what should we do next?
We're going to do the apples.
Now remember, when you're cutting, you want to make sure you use a bare claw to hold your apple in place. Put the tip of the knife down and roll your hand down. So I'm going to put my tip down, and I'm going to roll down. Tip down and roll down. Now that I've cut up my pieces, what can I do with them?
They can go right into the food processor.
Perfect. I'll get the big bowl. Now that our apples are in the same bowl as our walnuts, what should we do next?
Next, we can add the juice. That adds nice flavor. We can add the sugar. Ingredient, last but not least, the cinnamon.
Ooh,
And
I gotta say, this smells really good.
it should, and it will taste even better. Mix it all up.
Can we eat it by itself?
You can eat it by itself, it's that good. But you can also eat it on something called matzah.
Matzah, I think we have that. Do you mind finishing this up while I go get it?
No problem.
All right.
Because the next step is eating it.
Eating it? I'm so excited about that. Let's get some plates.
Let's do it.
This matzah looks like a giant cracker. Let's break it.
It can get a little messy, but those were pretty good breaks.
All right. And you can put some Haroset on the side, just like this. This looks like such a delicious snack. I can't wait to try it. So do I just put it on the matzah?
Yeah, you just put it on the matzah, pile it up as high as you want.
All right. Are yours ready?
Mine is ready.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm. That's really good. I want to say a big thank you to Farmer Caplan for joining us today and cooking with us.
Of course, it was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys are ready to try this on your own, and I couldn't have done it without you.
Thank you so much.